Oh!
What's up? We're HONK. I'm Daniel Lindeen.
I'm Ben.
And he thinks I look like a goose.
It's true.
Just so easy. I've not yet tried the knee serve, to be honest. Daniel and Ben, they've given themselves a lot of great chances with some diving sets, good defensive touches, but just haven't, they need to work on just that, getting the ball on that net to keep themselves alive for one more possession. So. Daniel has the record for coming out of pool play at an SRA Advanced Division as the #1 seed the most times without qualifying for Premier. He has had that #1 seed at multiple tour stops. To Daniel getting that first ace. Right back, and Daniel, as Daniel drops Devin. Daniel hits another lefty. He goes on a spree here. Okay, so Daniel went on a spree as I was gone a little bit. Ooh, good up. Oh, Ben puts that one away. Great rally, great point. Another up by Bryce, and good footwork to step back. Wow, Daniel, what a way to even get a touch on that ball to give Ben a chance. Oh, again, another great diving set out of Team HONK. And a great serve by Ben there. The last one that we redid. Got a redo, but there's a finish. Oh, Daniel gets there. See Ben. Oh, Ben diving through. Heads up, heads up. Yeah, it was maybe an ill-advised dive into the neighboring set. Ooh, a little reverse by Ben. Oh, goes with that consecutive touch rule. It's that back pocket. Let's see if Bryce does. That's a good set. A little high. Devin might have had a hard time tracking exactly where it was. Great rally by Daniel and Ben coming away with that point. Ben's got a great putt. Great defense there too. Back up, Devin. There we go. That's the backup we needed. Oh, nice. Oh, there we go. Oh, and Ben, he has taken that multiple times on two. He sees that opening, waits for it to get low. Another one, Ben. It's a great little forehand by Daniel.